Yes, good more earnings, Diva Secret Stem Cell family. We are here right now sa Mangagoy. We have import testimony, si Madam Neri. So she's from Australia, Neri Johnson, and her testimony in Diva Secret. What is it, ma'am?
Well, I just took this for 6 days now. I think 6 days.
Opo.
I love the product. And the energy I got. Grabe. Pero, ang side effect, bakit umitim ang buhok ko? Ayan o, nag-umpisa na. Ayoko nito.
Grabe, oh.
Eh, bago-bago lang. At ang sabi sa akin ng pinuntahan ko ngayon, Mary, bakit ka bumata? Really?
Wow!
Eh, sa totoo lang,
Thanks God.
I got this product 5 days ago accidentally, and then
Wow.
a friend of mine shared this Greeks coming with the other guy. And
Yes,
Perlita, thank
with
God that
Madam
he shared.
Perlita. This is Madam Perlita of
And
Mangagoy.
Look at me now. Hello, everybody. I'm Neri Johnson, going gold.
Yes. How young are you, Madam?
Going diamond pala.
Yes.
I'm
How young are you, madam?
I'm only 67.
Wow,
Do I
grabe.
look 67?
You look
Oh.
like nasa 40s plus.
Sir, a lot of people are telling me, Madam, 67 ka na?
Oh,
I do.
yes, this is Madam Neri Johnson from Australia.
Dito, no?
Wow. And Madam Perlita, her sponsor. Wow. Thank you, Diva Secret. Let's go.
Going
We
diamond!
are going to Spain also.
Going to
Yeah,
Spain!
let's Spain. Yes.
Hello! Going to Spain!
Wow.